How do you choose a good rhinoplasty educational experience? Cost, proximity, but what about quality? Quality should reign supreme. Marina Medical has been bringing you the masters now for about 4 to 5 years. These are cadaver dissection courses using fresh frozen cadavers, full rhinoplasty instrument sets, which, by the way, Marina Medical is an instrument manufacturing company that caters to the needs of rhinoplasty surgeons. There are multiple various instruments that they've created with the guidance of world-class rhinoplasty surgeons, and they're at your disposal. We use the piezotome for bone work, so you'll be able to use a piezo for your osteotomies. If you haven't done this, I think you'll find this instrument to be quite an advantage in rhinoplasty. We have multiple stations, 2 surgeons per station. So one of you is the assistant while the other does the work, and then you switch roles back and forth. World-class faculty will wander through the room, and if he's like, oh, Dr. So-and-so, I need help with this maneuver, you'll have lots of expertise at your disposal to help you with problems that you're stuck on. Plus, you'll have lectures that first give you the philosophy and the premise and the basics, and then you'll go apply those in real human tissue, fresh cadavers each day. And what can be better than that? It's usually a Friday, Saturday, Sunday kind of thing, so you don't miss a whole week's worth of work. And it's intense focus on anatomy, on practical rhinoplasty techniques, be it preservation rhinoplasty, structure rhinoplasty, augmentation rhinoplasty, whatever floats your boat, we have an offering. So go to BYTM.org for more information. Hope to meet you at one of these gatherings soon.